Welcome to today's exciting exploration of the best AI helpers for weekly meal prep. We've got DeepSeek-V3 going head-to-head with GPT-4o. Our world is rapidly embracing AI, significantly transforming everyday household tasks like meal planning to be faster and more efficient. First up, DeepSeek-V3, an AI renowned for its precise algorithms that promise nutritional accuracy and time-effective meal solutions. DeepSeek-V3 stands out with its robust database, providing tailored recipes based on dietary preferences and ingredient availability. Then we have GPT-4o, famous for its creative adaptability and ability to generate meal ideas that match your unique taste preferences. GPT-4o goes beyond rigid algorithms, offering personalized meal suggestions that evolve with your changing tastes and dietary habits. Let's break down their strengths and how each AI operates within a typical weekly meal prep scenario for a busy schedule. DeepSeek-V3 excels in efficiency, batching similar tasks together, saving users significant time during meal prep every week. It tames the chaos by optimizing cooking processes, ensuring you're not stuck juggling too many tasks simultaneously in the kitchen. On the other hand, GPT-4o captivates with its flair for creativity, suggesting innovative recipes you may not have considered before. For families or those willing to experiment, GPT-4o revitalizes meals, injecting excitement into what could otherwise be a mundane task. Nutritional precision is where DeepSeek-V3 shines, ensuring each meal aligns with dietary goals, providing data-backed proportions. You can rely on DeepSeek-V3 for accurate calorie counts and meticulously planned meals that don't compromise on health requirements. And yet, GPT-4o still impresses with its adaptability, accommodating last-minute changes by suggesting alternatives without missing a beat. This gives users the flexibility to work with items on hand, experiencing less stress even in spontaneous meal prep situations. Our next test focuses on daily usability, how these AIs integrate into the daily life of users, streamlining regular meal prep. DeepSeek-V3's streamlined interfaces offer simple navigation, but may feel somewhat restrictive to those who enjoy culinary spontaneity. Its precise approach favors those looking for structure and consistency, perfect for meal prepping novices or busy professionals. GPT-4o, on the other hand, thrives in dynamic, fluid environments where creativity and adaptability are the name of the game. This makes it ideal for households with varying preferences, encouraging creative exploration and making meal prep a fun activity. Cost efficiency is another critical factor, especially for those seeking to save both time and money without sacrificing quality. DeepSeek-V3 uses systematic batch planning to minimize waste, translating to direct savings in financial resources over longer periods. Despite this, GPT-4o offers broader access to creative recipes within a budget, reducing the risk of culinary monotony. Overall, both tools provide unique benefits tailored to your individual preferences, making the choice depend on personal priorities. DeepSeek-V3 is the confidant for those prioritizing discipline, consistency, and nutritional precision in their weekly meal plans. Meanwhile, GPT-4o brings joy to the kitchen by infusing creativity into meal planning, offering infinite meal variety potential. Ultimately, choosing between them comes down to aligning with what matters most, whether it's time savings or creative freedom. It's exciting to see how AI continues evolving, tailoring personal experiences while transforming meal preparation into an art form. In the end, the choice of the best AI for meal prep hinges on embracing either structure or creativity in your cooking routine. We'd love to hear what you think about these AI tools and which one you might consider for your own meal planning adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. How AI assists in your kitchen.